Make pet care easier with the Furoomate automatic smart cat litter box, an intelligent self-cleaning litter system designed to provide a cleaner, healthier, and more convenient experience for both cats and their owners. Featuring a generous 11-liter waste container, automatic cleaning technology, and a spacious design, this smart litter box helps eliminate daily scooping while keeping your home fresh and odor-free. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Furoomate smart cat litter box and explore its advanced features, including its automatic self-cleaning system, large-capacity waste bin, hygienic operation, modern design, and user-friendly maintenance. Whether you have one cat or multiple cats, this automatic litter box simplifies daily pet care by automatically removing waste after each use, reducing odors and providing a consistently clean environment for your pets. The intelligent self-cleaning mechanism separates waste from clean litter within minutes, minimizing contact with dirty litter while helping extend the life of your cat litter and reducing maintenance. Key features: automatic self-cleaning cat litter box, smart pet toilet system, large 11-liter waste container, hands-free litter cleaning, hygienic waste management, spacious interior for cat comfort, odor control design, reduces daily maintenance, easy to remove waste container, suitable for single and multi-cat households, quiet and efficient operation, modern compact design, easy cleaning and maintenance, durable construction, helps keep litter fresh longer, minimizes litter waste, safe and comfortable for cats, ideal for busy pet owners, cleaner home environment, convenient everyday use. The 11-liter high-capacity waste compartment allows the litter box to collect waste over several days before requiring disposal, making it ideal for busy households or owners who travel frequently. Its enclosed waste management system helps reduce unpleasant odors while keeping waste securely contained, creating a cleaner living space for both you and your pets. Designed with your cat's comfort in mind, the spacious interior provides plenty of room for natural movement while encouraging regular litter box use. The smooth, pet-friendly design also makes entry and exit easy for cats of different sizes. The removable waste container allows for quick and hygienic disposal, making routine maintenance simple and minimizing direct contact with used litter. Perfect for single cat homes, multi-cat households, apartment living, busy professionals, families with pets, first-time cat owners, indoor cats, modern smart homes, long work days, convenient pet care. Whether you're looking to save time, improve hygiene, reduce odors, or provide a cleaner litter environment for your cat, the Furoomate automatic smart cat litter box offers an efficient and reliable solution that makes everyday pet care easier than ever. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in smart pet products, automatic litter boxes, pet technology, home automation, and modern pet care solutions. Perfect for single cat homes, multi-cat households, apartment living, busy professionals, families with pets, first-time cat owners, indoor cats, modern smart homes, long work days, convenient pet care. Whether you're looking to save time, improve hygiene, reduce odors, or provide a cleaner litter environment for your cat, the Furoomate automatic smart cat litter box offers an efficient and reliable solution that makes everyday pet care easier than ever.